Hey guys, it's Brett from Leo Hardware, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to fix a very common casement window lock. It's really simple to get started. All you need is a screwdriver. Let's get right into it. Let's start by getting the window fully open. One issue that might present itself is the window being seized shut. This can usually be rectified by pushing a pry bar between the sash and your window frame, and then pushing the locking mechanism downward. Next, you're going to remove the screws attached to the rear of your lock, and then you can remove the lock from the cutout. When inserting the new lock into the cutout, you need to make sure that the fin of the lock is inserted in between these two posts located on your tie bar. Make sure your new lock is pushed snugly against the frame, and then you can screw it in place. We're going to take this repair a step further and clear all of the dirt and debris out of the hinge track, and then we're going to finish it off by lubricating the lock, tie bar, hinges, and the window operator guide channel. And now we're done. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about the repair we did, please leave a comment below. See ya.